Hi everybody, it's David Lee of Vital Health on the 30-day weight loss challenge again. So just wanted to give you another example of the lunch you can have on the 30-day weight loss challenge. Low carb meal, high protein. So this is some roasted chicken I got with some steamed green beans and some zucchini that I'm having. And I find it's quite filling. You don't need a lot of carbs when you eat this meal. As you can see, it's almost like a paleo diet. And that's another lean lunch or supper idea. And also, if you feel like a refreshing low carb drink, you can get these at Loblaws now. You can get them kale pineapple juice, freshly squeezed, unpasteurized in a bottle for like $6. I find it's really well worth it because it's fresh. You're still getting some fine, it's like juicing without having to juice. And I sometimes buy these when I don't have time to always juice. And it tastes very refreshing. It's unpasteurized, all right? So I'm having a glass of that with my meal tonight. I'm having this as a supper. So just wanted to give you another recipe idea for the 30-day weight loss challenge. And print off that handout that I gave you, which is further up. About a week ago, I posted it up on the Facebook. So those of you who are on the challenge or want to try it, please print it off and take a look at it. All right? Take care, and those of you who are following some of this, I hope you try some of these recipes. Take care. Bye.